My fourth cook with the Ooni Koda, and I've turned the stone. I always turn the stone over after every cook. It's nice and clean, the heat burns it all off, and it's ready for a new pizza. Ready for the Koda cook. This is a good test. I don't normally like to cook when it's breezy outside. I think it's the hardest time to cook a pizza when it's windy in your garden. Flames are just going everywhere in the oven and it takes longer to warm up, and my pizza's getting all soggy in the dough, and it went out without me realising. Luckily it's got this automatic cut-off thing, but it's really gone down in temperature. But this is how it is, this is how it goes. See, there it goes. So sticky dough and sitting on a peel for more than like a minute does worry me. I'd rather sit here in the wind and wait for the oven to warm up. I've got it on full. I think with the Ooni Pro it doesn't seem to affect it so much. It's got a door, it's all enclosed really. There's only a bit of a gap underneath the wood at the back. But under this oven, I don't know if you can see, but there's quite a lot of air holes at the back. And I think the wind is pushing up there. Oh, it's better, but it's still not enough. I'm not ready, it's not ready. I've got to be patient. This is going to be how to deal with a breeze video. Oh gosh, that's much better. Look, it's worth the wait. I think it's ready to go in now. It's saying 420 in the middle. I hope to goodness now this doesn't stick. Ooh. Okay. It didn't. Oh yeah, and I've got it on full again. I forgot to turn it down. Medium. So the toppings I used for the pizza today is what I had left over in the fridge. There was no, so I just put some things together, and they normally taste good. Bit of salami, rocket salad, and some chopped tomatoes on buffalo mozzarella. And The wind is okay for the moment. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Ouch. Right, I just want to dip a little. It's just this little bit at the top there needs doing, and then a little bit just in front of me here that needs doing. Ow. Ow. Just check that it's the right bit. Don't want to double burn it. Yeah, so it's been from this now, I can see that, yeah, it is windy, but the cook, once you've got the stone up to the right temperature, the cook is pretty okay then. Cooked the top very well again. Breezy day, so that was quite difficult to cook. I'm just going to try that bit. I think it cooked the crust really well. I had it on medium flame, and I think it's, yeah, cooked that well in the breeze. Wish I'd got it a bit hotter. I think I'm going to be aiming for 425 next time, but wind did keep the temperature down on the stone, so that's something to keep in mind, that it's blowing the flame off the stone all the time, and it actually blew it out once without me realising. But the gas did stop automatically on the oven, which is great. All in all, very tasty pizza. Salami, buffalo mozzarella and some tomatoes, very tasty.